That's Sean sitting on his own private beach. We got a lot of work done today. A whole lot. We gotta work on these stairs. Pretty soon, but it's good enough. It's working. Sean on his private beach. This is really a secluded beach. It's rocky, lots of pebbles, but nevertheless, it's the ocean. That is really cool puppy that came to the beach with us. Come on, let's go. Where is your sister? One of them is probably hiding in this little thing here because it's nice and cool. So she decide to go hide in there. Come on, let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Going home. This is Gemini. That one is Sagittarius. This one is braver than Gemini. This one will go swimming in a minute. Come on, let's go. Come on. All right. We'll be back at this tomorrow.